Hello everybody, I'm Mike with Omega Survival, and this is my first Bark River Gameskeeper test. This is only the first test. It's going to be a short video. I'm going to make another video tomorrow of some field use, but tonight, since this is a game knife, I wanted to process some chicken down. And see how that did? It's still partially frozen. And as you can see, like no pressure whatsoever. On that. As you can see, it's just right through it like butter. As you can see, if you're at a campsite, the uses of this knife would be almost endless for any kind of food prep you could ever want to do. I'm not even putting pressure on this. This is just the blade itself, the weight of the blade. I'm like doing nothing to assist it here. And it's just shaving it right off. Very thin. It's actually working better than any kitchen knife I have in my kitchen right now. My kitchen knives are pretty sharp. So, as you can clearly see, it's just eating through that with no issue. And I really have to say it works excellent. So, the Gameskeeper does a really good job versus chicken breast. I'm going to release a extensive outdoor use video tomorrow and do a little bit of light batoning and a little bit of wood carving and do another test from there. But this is just my first initial test of the Bark River Gameskeeper, and it works great. I mean, the edge of this A2 tool steel is phenomenal. It works very, very well. And as you can see, it just went through semi-frozen chicken breast like it was nothing. So if you're at a campsite, you're using that knife as your primary knife to cook at a campsite, you're going to be amazed by how it works. It's incredible. If you want to process a whole chicken, you're hunting for wild boar, deer, just about anything. As this knife is designed for literally popping into joints and spreading them apart, and with that high ricasso, you can get up really high and get a good grip. And this is probably one of the nicest hunting knives I've ever held and ever used, and it's extremely sharp and very stout. Very heavy duty full tank construction with the micarta handles pretty much makes this a bomb proof knife by itself, let alone the fact of the quality of the A2 tool steel. But I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm Mike with Omega Survival. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.